Meal prepping is a game changer for busy schedules. It ensures you have nutritious meals ready to go. Here are my top meal prep hacks to make your life easier. First, plan your meals for the week. Decide what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Write it down or use a meal planning app. This keeps you organized and reduces unhealthy choices. Batch cook staples like grains, proteins, and veggies. Cook a big batch of quinoa, brown rice, or pasta, and store them in the fridge. Roast veggies and cook proteins like chicken or tofu in advance. Mix and match throughout the week. Use versatile ingredients like bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes in multiple dishes. Pre-chop and store them in airtight containers for easy access. Invest in portion-sized containers to control your meal portions and ensure balanced meals. Divide your prepped food into these containers for ready-to-eat meals all week. Repurpose leftovers into new meals. Turn leftover roasted veggies into a wrap or mix them with quinoa for a salad. Shred leftover chicken for tacos or add to a soup. This keeps meals exciting and diverse. These hacks make meal prep easier and help you stay creative in the kitchen. Like this video and subscribe to Mindful Nourishment for more quick and healthy nutrition and meditation tips. Thanks for watching, and happy meal prepping. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time.